Hey guys, I'm here today to talk to you about Instagram's brand new feature, Reels, which is very, very exciting. If you're not sure what Reels is, it is Instagram's competitor to TikTok, and they literally released it last week. So I'm going to show you a tutorial today on exactly how to use it. It is not as scary as you think. If you know how to use TikTok, then you're going to know how to use Reels. It is a little bit different, but it's similar in many, many ways. And I think it will be very beneficial for a lot of businesses because, like Instagram wants, it will keep everybody onto the platform. So here we go. Before I get into today's video, I would really appreciate it if you did go and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you get a notification every single time I do a new video. And just a little FYI, I have released my Instagram for Business course. So if that is something that you're interested in, if you want to know exactly how to use Instagram for your business so that you're making money, so that you're growing, then I'll leave it below and you can go check it out and ask me if you have any questions. Instagram did actually start testing out Reels at the very beginning of the year, but with everything that is happening with TikTok and with America and many other countries trying to ban TikTok, Instagram sort of had to speed up their testing and get it out so that we can get off TikTok and stay on Instagram. But it's really easy to use. It's 15-second short little videos. You can add music. If you don't have the music feature, then you can watch my other video and I'll link it here on how to do that. Otherwise, you can use apps like InShot and InStories to add music to as well. I personally don't have the music feature at the moment. It comes and goes for me, which is very frustrating. So I use InShot or InStories. But now I'm going to show you a screen recording of how you can create a reel. From your Instagram homepage, open up your stories and down the bottom you'll see Reels, Live, Stories. You want to select Reels, and then on the left hand side you might see music, but I don't have it at the moment. Then you'll see the speed, you'll see effects, and then underneath you'll see the timer. So select how long you actually want to record for, and then hit the button in the middle. Now you don't have to hold this down while it's recording, and this is so that you can actually get into position. If you want to have it on a tripod or something, you have a 3-second countdown. Once it stops recording for those few seconds, you can actually then align it. So this is when you have those really cool transitions. Then you can go back to the timer, select the next section that you want to record, hit the button in the middle. It will count you down 3 seconds, get into position, record whatever it is that you want to record, and you keep repeating those steps until you record all 15 seconds. Now here you can also add GIFs. You can add my El Mazor creative GIFs if you like, which are pretty cute. Or you can also draw and add text. Once you have finished decorating and everything, then you will select the little arrow on the right. You can write a caption. Then you can also share it to your stories if you like. From here, you can also save it to drafts. So if you've recorded it, you can come back, or if you record a couple of seconds, you can come back and keep recording. And then you can also add a cover. It can be from your camera roll or it can be from the actual video itself. That is just a really, really quick tutorial on how to actually use Reels. I will keep playing with it, and if there is something that I think you guys really need to know, then I will let you know as well. If you have any questions on how it works, please leave them below and I will answer them for you as well. But have fun with it. I'm really enjoying it, and I'm actually starting to repurpose some of my old TikTok content. You don't actually have to create the reel within the actual app itself. Leave them below and I will answer them for you as well. But have fun with it. I'm really enjoying it, and I'm actually starting to repurpose some of my old TikTok content. You don't actually have to create the reel within the actual app itself. You can record them, you can edit them in InShot, and then you can swipe up as if you were going to add a new story to your stories, but do it to Reels. And you can pre-record them, pre-edit them, and put them up on Reels as well, if that helps. Especially if you don't have music, like I currently don't. So I like to edit mine in InShot. I'll either add a song in there or I'll use the app in stories, and that helps. Especially if you don't have music, like I currently don't. So I like to edit mine in InShot. I'll either add a song in there or I'll use the app in stories. And if you did enjoy today's tutorial, if you have any questions, comment below. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye.